Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to turn on FPS and ping over the screen in Apex Legend. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. At the top right corner you may see the gear icon. Just click the gear icon and enter into the settings and again into the gameplay and scroll down. You may see the performance. You may see the performance display. You need to enable it. Once you enabled, you can see your ping and your FPS over the screen while you are in the game. Let me show you.
Hit the jets, we're dropping hot.
On the top right corner, you may see the FPS and ping displayed over there, and this is how you need to do to
Safety's off.
display
Enemy
the
landing
FPS
on
and
me.
ping. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.